Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Welcome to Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Coffee in my 4 Easter mug. At least this makes you feel a little bit cooler thinking about winter storms. But nonetheless, we are on our way today to 90s to around 100 degrees, heat indices between 110 and 115. Groundbreaking news, folks. It's July. It gets hot. And sometimes it gets hot for a couple of days, and sometimes it gets hot for maybe more than a couple of days. This is nothing new, nothing unusual, and you've got folks out there, kind of making it sound like this is the first time it's ever happened. It's just ridiculous. So look, let them cry their hysterics. Try to enjoy your summer weather and try to stay cool. For some places, this is going to be the fifth straight day of 90 plus weather. And those places would be down from northeastern Virginia on up into southern Pennsylvania, into southern New Jersey. For other places, it is going to be only the fourth or the third, or this is only going to wind up being 2 days of 90 plus. But these are the numbers for today. So just basically look, 95 to 100, I think, covers it in terms of the temperature and the heat indices. In other words, how it feels with the humidity, which is going to be ridiculously high. It will feel like it's about 10 to 15 degrees higher than that. For Sunday, it's going to be wash, rinse, repeat. Once again, from northeastern Virginia right through southern and interior New England, we're talking about temperatures topping out between 95 and 100. Now, there's a little bit of a front that's coming through here tomorrow evening. There might be a pop-up shower or storm with that, but that'll set us up for a second and stronger cold front on Monday. So we actually are going to see temperatures Monday a bit lower. Highs will be mostly in the 80s to maybe around 90. The warmest spots on Monday down around Washington, D.C., Baltimore, for example, and in southern New Jersey might get close to 90, but everybody else may be in the mid to upper 80s. And then we're going to see more numerous showers and thunderstorms come in later in the day Monday into Monday night and early Tuesday as this cold front passes on through. That is going to usher in real relief starting later on Tuesday as humidity levels begin to drop. Look at Tuesday's highs only in the upper 70s to low 80s. And this is due to the fact that there may be some showers and storms lingering into early Tuesday morning at around daybreak, and it may take a good chunk of the day to get clouds out of the way, particularly in areas down to the south. So that is going to hold temperatures down. The dew points are going to come crashing down. Wednesday looks like a really nice day for most of the area. High temperatures only let's call it 80 to 85 with a fair amount of sunshine and comfortable humidity. Take it up a notch on Thursday of next week with temperatures in the middle to maybe a few upper 80s. The arrival of the next cold front, by the way, on Monday comes with a marginal risk of severe weather per the Storm Prediction Center from northeastern North Carolina all the way up through southern and southeastern New England. So this is going to include all of the big cities, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, Hartford, Providence, and Boston. So that is for Monday. And I think the table is set for a fairly interesting round of thunderstorms here late in the day on Monday. Not too much happening on the satellite loop this morning across the Northeast. So you're seeing some blow-off cloudiness from storms that are happening across parts of the Great Lakes. And here it is on the wider view. The issue with regards to the overall pattern, you have this big upper high that is extending from the Atlantic all the way into the southern plains. That is putting us on a flow that is bringing hot and humid weather. The Canadian jet stream is riding these disturbances along, and they are, for the most part, weak from the standpoint of by the time they get here, they completely fall apart. But we are going to see that jet stream strengthen as we move into Monday. The northern part of that jet stream is going to strengthen. You're going to get a trough that's going to dig down, and that is going to bring a cold front through here. It's just going to take its time getting by. So when we do see that front head our way come Monday. We will see showers and thunderstorms, and here it is, at least from the standpoint of how it looks on the GFS. And again, the Storm Prediction Center talking about a risk of severe weather. The front gets hung up slightly on Tuesday morning before it finally moves off, and then high pressure builds in, setting us up for some nice weather with low humidities and sunshine for the middle and latter part of next week. So that takes care of it in Weather in 5, folks. Do stay cool, enjoy yourself, the beach, the pool. Even at the beaches, the sea breeze is going to be tough. It's going to take, it may not get inland until late in the afternoon. So just bear that in mind. And you will see temperatures in the 90s even along coastal areas. So make sure you stay hydrated. Drink, you know the drill. Sunscreen, hydration, plenty of water. I may do a little fishing later today, so enjoy. And we will see you tomorrow right here on Weather in 5.